Right. So the parking brake light was broken on Tom's 64 Squire. Well, he found an NOS kit. It's actually for like a 67 Fairlane and everything, but it had the right lens. So, plus side was, you just pop it in. Ah! Look at that. Beautiful. Yeah. I also had an issue with it flickering when it was on. So I actually took the bracket down here and moved it. And now it works perfect. I love it. Beautiful. You got a pretty parking brake light. Interesting. Very interesting. Alright, rubbers. Alright, now we have both our valve covers on. Plug wires are sorted. Our fuel hard line's done. Tom got the valve covers and the air cleaner. He did all the paint work. Looks pretty good. Getting the seal in. And then we fire it up. We're running. Work the wheel. Steering like butter? Ooh, like butter. Nice. Smooth. Wessie laying some carpet. Yeah, baby.
Oh, yeah.
Looking good.